Today, Mama Cat and I, Ginger Kitten, are on a sweet adventure. We're harvesting the juiciest strawberries from the garden to bake a special birthday cake for our friend Bulldog. Did you know strawberries are packed with vitamin C? They're not just delicious, they're super healthy too. We carefully pick the ripest ones, their bright red color calling to us. Once we gather enough, we'll mash them up for the frosting. I can already imagine Bulldog's happy face when he sees the cake. Baking together is so much fun, and I can't wait to share this treat with our furry friend. Let's get to work.